With Max Belling, NYU scholar, DeepMind, Google, co-founder OpenAI, now Anthropic. Wow, enough said there. And then Euro or Euro, no?
Euro is fine.
Euro, okay, Euro. Who says he's super European. Global head of AI and EVP at Prosus. Used to work at Zebra Technologies. He's on various boards. And has professorships, co-founder of data science for Social Good Foundation. So not only working on the commercial side, but also making sure that data actually works for people. Has a strange link with the Netherlands. He did his PhD in the Tinbergen Institute as an economist. So a different background. But maybe to start off, can you, all of you individually, say something about what you're working on at the moment, and then we'll dive into the questions. I'll start with you.
Yes, thank you for organizing the panel and for having me here. It's a joy and an honor. I'm a researcher at Booking, and I basically study how AI is changing travel and what the next generation of travel products will be. I work very closely with our leadership, and I basically advise them on what capabilities to invest in, when, how, to make sure that we are growing the business and we delivering value for our customers. And the kind of work I do is I blend technical insights, large-scale data, with contextual insights from looking at adoption, but also speaking to our customers to make sure that innovation stays very human, and at the end we aligning what we build with what people want.
Thanks. Dirk?
So thank you for inviting me here, of course. So I work at Anthropic currently, and I was asked what I'm working on. So I'm working on the new version of Claude, of course, which is our language model. But I'm specifically also working on how to train across multiple data centers, which is something that was kind of unsolved. So it's going to be easy to train within a single data center, but if you have multiple of them, then the bandwidth between them is a lot lower than you're used to. So you need to do other things than usual. So that's one of the specific things, and also various other projects. Unfortunately, I can't really talk in detail about everything, but I can talk about a lot of things. Yeah.
But don't be afraid, just friends.
Yeah. It's not confidential.
Stay secret.
Yeah.
You can open up.
Yes.
Euro.
So I'm with Prosus. I lead artificial intelligence for the group, which is a group of about 30,000 people. So I have the global responsibility for AI, which at this moment for me means two main things: is to introduce agents and what we call large commerce models, which is large language models but understand commerce. They are going to be the next operating system for e-commerce. And I work on two parts. First, in changing all the e-commerce platforms that we have with tools that understand intent. And on the other end is developing the first, let's say, cohort of AI agent employees. So my goal is to introduce 2,000 FTEs through agents in the next 6 months. One of the goals.
Cool. And are you going to succeed? Are you succeeding? Are you optimistic?
It goes probably faster than we expect.
Is it across businesses or corporates?
Everywhere.
They are hiring. They are hiring. This is how it's going.
That's true. We created JDs for agents, right? You need to have a job description with an agent. You have to go from a junior intern, which is what assistants are now, to a senior colleague that has responsibility, has judgment, knows how to do it properly. You need to have a JD for that, right?